This is the Hober Solar DC Pump catalog. The solar DC pump consists the solar panels, solar DC pump controller, and DC pump. And this is the controller parameters. And we have two models of DC pump controller, and one is 750 watts. The other is 1,500 watts. And this is for 2 HP pump, and this is for 1 HP pump. This is the voltage for this using. This is the protections. The IP degree 65 degree, and protections: DC input over voltage, DC input reverse, and battery protection, DC output short circuit, DC output freeze loss, and over temperature, overflow of tank, water empty for well. This we need to install sensors, and this is the controller, the volume and the weight. And this is the DC pump controllable 2,200 watts, and this is the voltage. The recommended MPPT is more than 220 volts. Hybrid is 320 volts. And this is the protection. Also is IP65. And this is the DC pump controller, plastic impeller, and this is 3-inch. And this is the motor power. And this is the max flow and the max height, and this is the pump body size, and this is outlet, the pipe size. This is the curve, and this is the 3-inch, the stainless steel impeller, the DC pump. This is the power of the motor, and this is height, flow and height, and this is the pump body size, and this is the pump's outlet. This is the plastic 4-inch pump. Pump power is in this column: 400, 600 equal to 100. And this is max flow. This color 6 and 9, and this is max height from the 32 to 125 meters. And this is outlet inch for the pipe size, and this is the wire diameter to adapt this pump. This is water flow, and this is the 4-inch plastic impeller pump. This is pump power and controller power, and pump voltage and pump model, and recommended solar panels, and this is max flow, max height. The wire diameter support, and this is the pipe size, the outlet inch. This is the 4-inch stainless steel impeller pump, and this is the pump power. This is pump power, and this is the max flow and the max height. Let's find this color, and this is the wire diameter accepts in the 5-inch, and this is outlet, the pipe size, this column. This is the pump body is stainless steel, and this is the motor is 4-inch, and the pump body is 6-inch, and the water flow is big, 36 kilometers per hour, and this is the water head, max head, and this is the outlet is 3-inch. This is the DC surface pump, and it's 550 watts, 750 watts, and 1,100 watts, 1,500, and this is the outlet, the pipe size, and this is the max head, this is max flow, this is water curve, and this is the DC submersible pump. This is for the open water, for the dirty water. The watts is this is the pump power, and this is the controller power. Also, this is another type of the motor. This is switch pump, sub-motor pump, switch pump. This is motor power, and this is motor voltage and pump model, and this max flow and the max head, and the outlets and the inch. Thank you.